This is my door. It's been a little bit around 24 hours now. We're going to take to see if our cure on our J-B Weld actually held up to the test. So we're going to find out right now. So here we go. Take it out. Put a little bit of plastic covering on it to make sure that no debris falls on top. Plastic cover there. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna twist it, that way you guys can see it. Let's see how it held up. Looks pretty wet still, surprisingly. But maybe that's just the way it's kind of glossed over like that. But I'm kind of afraid to touch it. Oh, it's just hard. There you go. I'm rubbing my finger on it. I can feel the hardness of it already. So we got a good mold on it. The most important thing was to cover that lower area there. Put a little thicker, and then how it was spreading here. We kind of made sure it wrapped itself up a little bit. You can see there. So that was good on one side. Let's check out the other side. Kind of tilted on its back here. Okay. That one looks also good. Let me get some focus on it. There we go. Put it right there. Alright, you can see here, we also did the same thing here. We curved it up, but we also made sure we focus on the lower proximity because that's where the crack was really at. So I think this will probably hold up. You can even take some sandpaper and sand around if you wanted to, but I think we're in the safe bet here. We cleaned it pretty well, so we're good. We can smooth it out further, but it only takes about 4 to 5 hours to cure it, meaning to get it to a hardened position. But to really put it to the test of tolerance, it's guaranteed up to almost close to about 4,000 psi pressure points. But they recommend curing for at least 15 hours minimum to 24 hours. So we're not going to even put transmission oil until we're done with the setup, so we can actually start now putting our head cylinder on there. So we'll leave this to let it cure naturally, because we're not going to be able to put transmission oil and do anything with the engine yet until everything gets assembled anyway. So it's good timing for us. So let's go and start assembling our head cylinder. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see it. There we go. A little bit closer there. Okay, with our head cylinder here, we put our tie strap back in, our lucky tie strap there. Our head cylinder, what I found out was that they do recommend that we face the arrow downward for our pistons. So if you remember here, we're looking at our piston.